Wash the prawns with the help of salt, turmeric powder and water. After that, filter out the water. Add 3 to 4 spoons of gingerly oil. When the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, jeera and fennel seeds. When all these splatter, add 3 to 4 chopped onions. When the raw smell of onion gets off, add 1½ spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and let it fry well. Add pinch of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder and 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and also add salt according to taste and mix it well. When the raw smell of these masala powders gets off, add the prawns and mix it well. Add curry leaves and mix it once. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder and ½ spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and mix it once. Add water according to the gravy consistency you need. Add 1 chopped tomato again and mix it well. Close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now open the lid, see that it is boiling well. Add coriander leaves and mix it once. Check the prawn whether it is being easily cut. Add 3/4 spoon of pepper powder and mix it once. This prawn curry serves very well with chapatis.